Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 13th of October 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, we are now only 3 weeks away from the US election, and really the name of the game right now is taking advantage of these massive opportunities that we are seeing in the markets right now with this current volatility. So this is absolutely perfect for trading. This allows you to regularly bank your profits and continue to reload here on the dips that we're seeing on the precious metals. You'll remember last week we talked you through the Golden Week public holidays that we would see in China. Expect the potential for vulnerability on the metals. This played out perfectly, gave us an opportunity last week to build further positions on copper, on platinum, and also on gold. In fact, we banked further profits last week on the breakout that we saw on Friday. China came back from their 7 days of holiday. We immediately saw on the Friday big pressure to the upside on the metals. We've actually taken more profit off the table as well earlier on today, with gold banking further profits of 1,924 US dollars per ounce, banking in fact 410 points profit, which for every one lot traded, that's of course 4,100 US dollars profit. For every 10 lots traded, that's $41,000 of profit. Subsequently, later on in the session, we have actually seen this anticipated pullback, where we've in fact been able to benefit from this by having a further hedge in our portfolio, building positions on the dollar, which are great right now for when the market moves very quickly into risk off. And that's where you'll see the dollar explode to the upside. It puts pressure on the metals, and then once the dust has settled here, this is where you can look at reload opportunities on gold, on silver, platinum and palladium and so forth. But what you have to be careful of is not FOMOing in on the bounces higher that we get here on the metals. This is where many retail traders get it wrong. Each time they see a breakout on the metals, just as they get into the breakouts, they're getting FOMO. This is where gold is typically getting slammed, or silver, platinum. And what you want to do is be patient, wait for these dips. Know of this usual counterflow that you do get at the beginning of the week over Monday and Tuesday, particularly as you go into the US session. So if you're a retail trader scratching your head, wondering why it is that we've seen another sell-off today, it's the classic time of the week, the classic move that we get, the counterflow, the normal move into the US Open where gold, silver, platinum, you get this pullback, the dollar picks up momentum. This provides you with a great opportunity to reload. Now, today we've seen the US dollar gain 0.5% on the day. The gold to silver ratio, which do make sure you track that, broke out 2% above 78 to 1. So when this happens, it does favor dollar strength, of course, and also pressure to the downside on the metals. But I would look at these pullbacks again as reload opportunities, where you want to get in nice and low and then capitalize on rallies later on in the week. For those of you that watched our week ahead commodity report, you remember we talked you through the natural gas position that we currently have on. We were gifted on the open with a 200-point breakout in our direction, which enabled us to bank 1,090 points on that trade, a very seasonal and cyclical trade that we've taken advantage of here on natural gas, which has given us a nice bump to our profits just at the beginning of this week. And of course, last week, we talked you through that opportunity with crude oil at key support at 36 US dollars per barrel that went on to rally 10% to the upside. These market conditions favor trading massively. We want this volatility. This gives you regular opportunities to come in and out the market, bank your profits. You do not want to be just utilizing a buy and hold strategy, and you don't want to be FOMOing in. You want to make sure that you're utilizing research in your approach with the markets. And this is where, of course, you have an opportunity to learn the way that we trade at the Gold and Silver Club. You want to be positioning yourself exactly the same way as the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, and the institutions. Have access to the same market intelligence data, research that they are utilizing, and alongside that, know the cycles in the market, the seasonality, the key areas of liquidity, how the hedge funds and money managers are positioning themselves week to week and also in real time in order to give you that edge in the market. So if you would like to join a community of successful traders, learn a research-driven approach, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.